ठीक है। नाउ कहाँ पे थे हम लोग लास्ट टाइम पे? वेयर वी आर? डिफाइन फॉर्मूला फॉर withholding tax. Correct. For calculating. Define formula for calculating withholding tax. Correct. Then the next one as a define withholding tax, assign. Okay, define formulas for calculating withholding tax. The next one as a assign withholding tax type, assign withholding tax type to company. Okay, assign withholding tax type to company code, and the path, you can write down the path as a SPRO, say SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Then financial accounting, then financial accounting global setting, then withholding tax, then extended withholding tax, then we have the company code, say company code, and within a company code, here you have the option as a assign withholding tax type to company code. Assign withholding tax type to company code. Okay. Then execute. Then click on the new entry. Okay. So what's your company code? DN10. So enter the company code here, the DN10. Withholding tax type. We have created the withholding tax type. What is D1? D1. Go on the search option here and you can see D1. D1 for 194J TDS on professional fees 10%. TDS on professional fees 10%. Okay. Then below you can select as a vendor data. Click on these options. Withholding tax agent. Select withholding tax agent. Then validity period. Validity will start from our financial year. So we'll say my financial year starts. My financial year will start from 1/4/2022 and it will be end as a 31st/12/999. 31st/12/999. Okay, then the remaining field not required to fill here. Note down and confirm me. Then save it. Once you will save it, systems create a request and then you can accept this request. So this is company code. This company code is assigned the withholding tax type as a D1. Okay. Then go back from here. तो ऐसा आपका जितना भी टैक्स टाइप होगा वो सब कंपनी कोड को असाइन करना पड़ेगा. फिर हमने एक किया है D1, तो ऐसा आपका 10 हो सकता है. D1, 2, 3, 4, 5 डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ सर्विस. ये प्रोफेशनल फिर का है, लेबर का रहेगा तो 1% का भी होगा, 2% का भी होगा, कमीशन का भी हो सकता है और ब्रोकरेज का भी हो सकता है. So like this you can assign the withholding tax. देखो IN47 को A1 2 C D3 W1 2 3 4 depending upon the nature of the service you are taken from the vendor. Then go back from it. Go back from here. It should be activated. The next one as a activate extended withholding tax. Activate extended withholding tax. The path will be same. Path will be same. Then execute. Then we already have the company code. Click on the position. Click on the position, and my company codes are DN10. Okay, DN10, and then say continue. So up to this stage, this extended withholding tax is not activated. When it will be activated, you have to select this. That means now onwards, whatever the parameter you are maintaining, withholding tax, it is applicable. Correct? And then save it. Say save it here. Save it. You will get the information. You are activating the extended withholding tax function onwards. Now onwards. अभी तक क्या था वो स्लीपिंग मोड में था. Then it will activate it. Say yes. Continue. Create a request and then you can accept this request. Go back from here. Again you will get it. Say continue. Go back from. Now the next one. Whatever the amount will calculated, it will be posted to the respective GL account. बराबर है. जो भी हमारा 10% कैलकुलेशन होगा वो GL को ट्रांसफर होना चाहिए ऑटोमेटिकली विदाउट आस्किंग द GL टू एंड यूजर. We need a GL account. So we need how many GL account we require? Professional fees GL account, we have it or not have it? FS00. We'll check it. My company codes are DN10. Within a DN10, it will be indirect cost. We don't have the professional fee GL account. We have to create the first GL, the professional fees account. So write down creation of GL account, and click on the create. Then my next GL account will be 28003. And the company codes are DN10. Say continue. Account type, account group will be as a indirect cost. It's a part of your profit and loss account. Short text will be professional fees. Trading partner will be DYN-GRP. Then click on the control data. say only balance in local currency, line item display, and sort key will be as a posting date. Say posting date. Posting date, and then create bank interest tab. Here the field status group will be cost center. It will be cost center. So cost center goes for G004 as a cost account. And then save it. Okay, professional fees. The next GL will be TDS. TDS will be the liability. Liability comes under the, we have the account group, other liability, other liability 16,000. So next GL will be TDS account, TDS on professional. TDS on professional. Other liabilities, we have the GL account, we have already created GL account. Two GL account we have already created, 16,002. Say 16,002. Right? Then the company codes are DN10. Say continue. My account group will be other liability, it's a part of your balance sheet, and then the GL name will be TDS on professional fees. The trading partner, same as a DY and GRP. Then click on the control data. See only balance in local currency. This will be as open item management, line item display, and sort key. Sort key will be as a 001 posting date. And the third tab, create bank interest. Here you will select the field status group as a tax clearing office, G041, tax office clearing account. Tax office clearing account. Okay, then save it. Then save it. Then we need one vendor. We need a vendor. To create a vendor master data, the T codes are FK01. Say FK01. Enter. Then select account group. The account groups are, we have the account group here as a DN 15 service group. It comes under service group. Na? Say DN10 as a service group. Correct? Then go to next screen. Then we need a vendor. So the vendor will be as a कौन सा Rajesh tax consultant services, Rajesh tax consultant. ठीक है, the search name will be Rajesh. You can say the address you can say as a Nashik Pune highway, correct. Office number, example this is office number, postal code, so this is a postal code, and you can say MIDC industrial area, Chinchod, Sambhajinagar. Enter the country will be as India. Then the region will be 13. This is the basic data we need to enter all the vendor master data. Okay, go next screen. Next, trading partner, DYN GRP. See here as a DYN GRP. Enter the tax information as a PAN number. Correct, PAN number. Then rest of the things are optional, so no need to maintain here. Correct. Then go to next screen. Vendor bank information. So vendor bank information, country will be India, and the bank account are maintained in ICICI Bank. The bank account as this is the bank account number, and then Rajesh. Okay. Go to next screen. Next screen. Rajesh Chauhan. Okay. Next screen. Reconciliation account. This vendor will be reconciled with my service 14,005. 14,500. Short key will be vendor number 012. Cash management group as a A1 for domestic payment. Right? Then next screen, terms of payment. We have already created terms of payment. No? Yes, you can assign the terms of payment DN10. If it is a payment automatic payment method applicable, yes, you can say which configuration we have done. Check. Say continue. The house bank. Suppose you have the multiple house bank, you can decide it. Okay, service का है तो हमारा Canara Bank है. If you have the multiple house bank, you can decide the house bank also, Canara Bank. Okay. Then go to next screen. Dunning not applicable. Keep it the blank here. Then system gives me the second tag here. ये पहले आता था क्या? नहीं आता था. Okay. So withholding tax country is India. Correct. IN. ये वेंडर के लिए withholding tax type. We have the withholding tax type as the D1. Withholding tax code. Also we have the D1. Then say select liable. Correct. Then enter. Note down this one. In vendor creation, withholding tax accounting. In vendor creation, withholding tax accounting. In vendor creation master data, withholding tax accounting, maintain the country as India. Then the withholding tax information, my withholding tax code are D1, withholding tax type are D1 also. And select liable. Okay. Then enter, it will be the end of the session. Say yes. So this is the vendor. Now we have the vendor master data. We have the GL account of professional fees, and whatever the tax will calculate it will post automatically as a TDS on professional fees account. Okay. For that we have to assign. We have to assign the GL account for automatic posting. Write down the next step. Define account for withholding tax to be paid over. To be paid over. Okay. And the T code are OBWW. OBWW. Okay. And same way you can write down the path. Path will be as a SPRO. Say SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Financial accounting. Then financial accounting global setting. Withholding tax. Then extended withholding tax. Then posting. Say posting. You have the option here, the posting. Say posting. Under the posting, again we have the one more option here, is accounts for withholding tax. Then under this option, here you have the option as a defined accounts for withholding tax to be paid over. Execute, say execute. Then my system asks me chart of account. Enter the chart of account, here's a DN10. DN10. Continue. The configuration accounting maintain automatic posting rules. तो जब आप ऑटोमेटिक पोस्टिंग रूल करोगे तो आपका रूल क्या होगा? The rule will be if my chart of account has a DN10 and the transactions are WIT with extended withholding tax time. The accounts are determined based on the below condition. Select either debit or credit, select withholding tax code, and select withholding tax time. Note down this. Okay, then click on the posting key. Click on the posting key. Systems ask you, you want to save the data first? Say yes. Save the data. Then again click on the posting key. Again click on the posting key. Then here your configuration, whatever the posting key my systems are calculate the withholding tax, it will be 40 for debit and 50 for credit. It will be 40 for debit and 50 for credit. Then again click on the accounts. Again click on the accounts. Then if these conditions are true, then the withholding tax type will be D1, D1, correct? Then withholding tax code, selection parameter, select here as India. Then we have the 194, D1, correct, D1. Then GL account number. We have the GL account number. TDS on professional. Search option here. Then TDS on professional fees. 16,002. डेबिट हो या क्रेडिट हो, रिवर्स करोगे तो कहाँ पे जाएगा, वो रिवर्स जाएगा, तो इट शुड बी क्रेडिट. क्रेडिट ऑल्सो एज अ सेम GL account as a TDS on professional fees. Okay. So like this you can create a multiple GL account for multiple TDS structures, and then you can assign. So end user has not to worry when I am posting the transactions which GL account has to be posted. It will be automatically predetermined in the systems. So there is no chance for any error for wrong GL posting. है क्या फिर? नहीं है ना? And then save it. Say save it. Save it. Save it. Okay. Then we have to maintain the company code setting. Next steps are maintain company code settings. Maintain company code settings. And the path will be as a SPRO. SAP reference IMG. Then you have the option here as a logistic general. हाँ. Recording नहीं केलं. Recording नाही केलं. रेकॉर्डिंग केलेलं आहे, पण त्या लोकांनी काय ते 10-15 मिनिटांच केलेलं आहे, कारण त्याच्यात काय होतं जनरल डिस्कशन जास्त होतं ना, मग ते स्प्रेड होऊ नये म्हणून आपण करत नाही. तर रेकॉर्डिंग पहिल्यांदा तर आपलं इंट्रोडक्शन लेक्चर असतं, केवढं झालंय 10-15 मिनिटाचं असेल नाही, पण ते ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम पासून पुढे हा ते निघले नागपूरला ऑनलाईन सेशन अटेंड करणार आहे, तर ते म्हणतात की आम्हाला सेशन अटेंड करायचं होतं पण जमलं नाही, बस होती वगैरे करून त्यांची, मग ते म्हणतात ते मी रेकॉर्डिंग करून द्या म्हणजे आम्हाला ही बॅच कंटिन्यू करायला. बरं रेकॉर्डिंग त्याचं मध्ये मी पाठवलं होतं ते नाही का तुमच्याकडे, त्यांना मग ऑनलाईन ते आधी एक बघा रेकॉर्डिंग मध्ये येऊन जातं. ते कॉपी करून ठेवलं होतं ना तुम्ही कुठेतरी. मग त्यांना म्हणा तुमचं आम्ही परत एक ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम एक अटेंड करू नाही करता तसं. आता आहे का सगळं ऑनलाईन? विल अटेंड, विल कॉन्फिगर किंवा संध्याकाळी असेल संध्याकाळची वेळ घ्या त्यांची. संध्याकाळी जे मग मी रेकॉर्ड
10-15 मिनिटं तुम्ही जेव्हा ही बॅच संपते तेव्हा देऊ शकता.
हां
ठीक आहे.
ठीक आहे.
10-15 मिनिट तिथल्यासाठी ऑनलाईन अटेंड कर.
हां ऑनलाईन अटेंड कर. ठीक है. So we have the option as a logistic general. Say click on the logistic general. Then within a logistic general, again we have the option here as a goods movement type. Tax on goods movement. Tax on goods movement. So click on the tax on goods movement. Then India, say India. Within India, we have the basic settings, say basic settings. And within a basic settings, here you have the option as a maintain company code settings. Maintain company code settings. Then click on the new entry. Click on the new entry. तो हमारा कंपनी कोड क्या है? DN10. Enter the company code here as a DN10. Correct. Then the first month will be, my financial starts from April. Say here as April. April. Then save it. Then save it here. Save. Say continue. Okay. Then the next step will be as a maintain vendor PAN number. Maintain vendor PAN number. Without PAN number, if you are deducting, मग ती त्या स्काय ग्रुप मध्ये नाही आहे का ती?
तिला नाही आपण ऍड केलं, तिने मला दिलं पण आहे. मला जरा असं डाऊट होतं म्हणून मी मागितलं पण नाही तुझ्याकडे. ती म्हणते करायची करून सरांची बॅच. फक्त ते 10-15 मिनिटं काय झाले आहे आम्ही गेल्याच्या नंतर तेवढं तिला फक्त हवंय.
त्याच्यानंतर 1 तास केलं ना आपण ते.
तेवढं झालं तेवढं.
पण ते स्काय पार्टी घे ना मग.
स्काय पार्टी वर तुम्ही शेअर करता का?
हां दोघांचं घे.
तिचं देते. त्याचं तर नाही येतो ट्रॅव्हलिंग मध्ये. ती ते थांबले वेटिंग मध्ये. तिचं घेते.
मग तिचं घे स्काय पार्टी. तिला आपण फॉरवर्ड करू.
मला व्हॉट्सअप करते.
हां कर. ठीक है. मेंटेन वेंडर पैन नंबर. Maintain vendor PAN number. Okay. And the T code J1ID. 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 Okay. Enter. You will get the maintain excise rate maintenance. Okay. Then you have here as a select vendor excise details. Select this parameter. Vendor excise details. Then say maintain. Maintain. Okay. Then click on the new entry. Click on the new entry. Okay. So my vendor जो भी हमने राजेश कंसल्टेंसी किया हुआ है, click on the search option. My company codes are DN10, and we have to maintain the vendor registrations as a PAN number as a Rajesh tax consultant, say Rajesh tax consultant. ECC number, this is all the correct. Range will be exchange range will be change word. Then here you can have the commissionerate as a Pune. Okay. CST number, LST number not required. Then you can have the permanent account number, PAN account number. Maintain the PAN account number. Maintain the PAN account number. Okay. Then save it. Save it. You will get the message, your data was saved. Okay. So this is the work you have to do in Sandbox as an initial stage. Got it? Now we are the end user. हम ही end user है ना. Real time में तो दूसरा end user होगा. But as a consultant करके we have to check the testing ना. Now we have to post the transactions for vendor. Post vendor invoice. Post vendor invoice. And to post the vendor invoice, my T codes are post vendor invoice. FB60. FB60. Enter the vendor number as FB60. Sorry, or T code. Then my company codes are DN10. Change the company code DN10. Okay. Say continue. Continue. Then I'll have to select the vendor as a Rajesh, क्योंकि दूसरे का कोई संबंध नहीं है इसमें. Rajesh tax consultant. The date will be today's date. Say today's date here, 11th. The professional fees, the total amount. Total amount will be, we can say 1,23,780, including TDS. Yeah. Okay. This is the gross amount है. ये अगर आपका इनवॉइस का ग्रॉस अमाउंट है तो इसमें से बेसिक अमाउंट कितना होगा और टीडीएस कितना. ठीक है. Then say tax will be the professional fees and the GL account. GL account will be here as a professional fees account. Then amount in document currency will be star. Then the tax will be plus. Tax will be plus. Okay. Then validate the data. Validate the data. You will get the message here. What is the message? Vendor 401419 is subject to withholding tax parameter. इससे पहले जो भी हमने ट्रांजेक्शन किया था किसी वेंडर को हमारे को ये मैसेज नहीं आया था. अभी आया because we have activate all the withholding tax parameter to this vendor. Then simulate. Okay, this is the information. Say continue. अगर आपका इतना अगर इनवॉइस अमाउंट होगा तो TDS कितना कटेगा 10%, और राजेश टैक्स कंसल्टेंट को आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग द टैक्स देंगे ना हम लोग. सो दिस विल बी योर एंट्री कॉस्ट. So this is the complete output of your withholding tax configuration parameters. तो अगर सिस्टम में अगर everything is perfect, then and then it will come. Otherwise, it shows the error, and then you have to solve the error. After solving, if you got this calculation, 10% is okay ना? 1,23,000 अगर है तो इसमें का बेसिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा. चलो इसमें से 10% कटेगा और बचा हुआ अमाउंट राजेश टैक्स कंसल्टेंट को जाएगा, और ये अमाउंट आपका लायबिलिटी है ना ये, और ये आपका एक्सपेंसेस है. देन यू कैन पोस्ट इट, से पोस्ट इट. You will get the document number, and the document number 2018 was posted in company code DN10. Then if we go to the report purpose, reporting as a FBL 3N, तो वो GL को पोस्ट भी होना चाहिए ना वो. So FBL 3N. Then we'll give the today's date, only today's date. I'll get the today's information only. So then it will be here as 11, sorry, 11. And then say all items, see this is the all items. पिछला क्यों आया इसमें पता नहीं. ऊपर आइटम सिलेक्ट किया. सर्विस ग्रुप, टोटल लायबिलिटी, TDS 12,000, professional fees, expenses 1,23,000. So these entries are affected with the posting of FB60. इतना ही होना चाहिए ना. जब पेमेंट करोगे आप 1,11,000 रुपये, अगर यहाँ पे वेंडर के भी GL में अकाउंट में जाएंगे, तो वेंडर GL अकाउंट हैज शोन टू 1,11,000 ओनली. करेक्ट. से अकाउंटिंग, financial accounting, accounts payable, then information systems, this one, vendor balance or vendor item balance, say line item. My company codes are DN10 here, okay. Then say only open item, execute. L&T as it is, we are not doing anything. Radhesham Wellpack as it is. Then you can say Airtel Communication as it is, and Rajesh Tax Consultant have 1,11,402 after deducting the fees. Okay. So this is the end of the one scenario of your withholding tax plan. So the same way you can create the multiple parameter, multiple scenario, and you can check whether. So this is the sandbox. सैंडबॉक्स में से ये होगा मेरा, इसको मैं डेवलपमेंट में इसको डाल दूंगा. इसमें टेस्टिंग होगा है ना ये एक. इसका जो भी है मेरे नाम से जितना किया मैंने मूव कर दूंगा. वैसा प्रोफेशनल फीस का हो गया, और कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का हो गया, 1% का हो गया, 2% का, सब उधर ढकेलते जाऊंगा. और डेवलपमेंट में सबका मिला के एक ब्रांच हो जाएगा, फिर तो सब आ जाएगा ना. प्रोफेशन का भी आ जाएगा, TDS लेबर का भी आ जाएगा, इनकम जो भी मेरे लिए एप्लीकेबल सब आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सैंडबॉक्स एंड द डेवलपमेंट. रियल टाइम में तो आफ्टर गो लाइव, तो वहां पे ये कोई चांस नहीं रहता है. तो ये सब सिनेरियो चेक करके रियल टाइम में जाने का इट्स नॉट अ वेरी इजी पार्ट है, क्योंकि सब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस चेक करने का है ना. उसमें सबका GL जाना चाहिए, आपको सिर्फ एक ही पैरामीटर नहीं मेंटेन करने का है. सब टॉपिक टू टॉपिक आपको कवर करने का है। टॉपिक टू टॉपिक कवर करके मैनेजमेंट को हैज टू बी हैप्पी ना, नहीं तो फिर वो पैसा आपका बिल कैसे निकालेगा? निकालेगा क्या? हाँ हाँ, ठीक है। यस, इज इट क्लियर? आई होप